Hey y'all, it's your girl JJC, so welcome to my vlogs. So today I have plans to go grocery shopping, and I also want to try that salmon and rice TikTok recipe that everybody has tried and said that they loved. And we're gonna go on the journey to get some of this stuff, and I know they require this CHECKOUTTIME Japanese mayo, and I was looking online and I'm just thinking that Walmart should have it. So we're gonna go there first because I think a lot of places are sold out because everybody's trying this recipe. So first mission is going to be to go to Walmart to get this mayo. Yeah, so the weather for today is super cold, wet, gray skies. It's looking real icky out here, but as long as, you know, I've had my winter jacket out all year because the weather is just unpredictable. You know, some people, they store their winter stuff away and then they bring it out for the season. Me, I'm keeping my winter gear on deck. Okay, mittens, gloves, scarves, winter jackets, winter boots, they are out all year. And that's just that's just personally what I do, because sometimes the weather is so unpredictable. One day it's nice, hot, sunny, next day it's freezing cold, it's snowing, it's hail, it's unpredictable, it's ridiculous, and you just got to be prepared for the unknown. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, the mission today is to get groceries. You know, you need groceries when you're just snacking on a bunch of garbage because there's nothing to make out of anything. You know what I'm saying? And bread, it's a staple in many households, including mine. So when you ain't got no bread, it's almost like, what else is there, you know? So I was looking in the freezer, I'm looking for something to bake or heat up, and it's like, I need groceries. So today is grocery day. Yeah, so something that is helpful when you are, you know, going grocery shopping is to write out what you need. Because for me, sometimes when I get into the store, I just sometimes I lose sight of what I really came there for. It probably happens to a lot of people, but you go in there and then you see this, you see that, you're like, oh, I need this, I need that, and then you just kind of lose sight of what you initially needed and what you came for, and you end up leaving out the store with a whole bunch of stuff that you never even needed, you know? So I wrote down, I even brought the pencil in case, you know, I need to write anything down or compare prices and things like that. So the great thing about technology is that you could look online for flyers, and you could literally do you could do your shopping online, but you could also compare prices in different places, versus back in the day, you had to literally go into whatever grocery store and find the item, look for the price, go to another store, see if that place is cheaper. You know, it was a lot of footwork, but in this case, it's literally at your fingertips. Clickety, click, click, click. So I have a list here that I wrote. There's about 6 places to get stuff. I wrote that, but I don't think I'm going to 6 places because that's going to be a lot of energy. What's going on here? So it's going to be a lot of energy. Do you guys ever find that you go grocery shopping or just shopping and you just are tired? And I know I still need to cook dinner, right? So I have to take into account, like, what's priority here? What can I get, you know, most of these items from? So right now we're going to go to Walmart. We're going to find the mayo. Maybe I can get a few of the other things on my list as well. This is like grocery shopping 101 or something. First of all, I'm going there hungry. Okay, so grocery shopping 101, you should not be going grocery shopping hungry. And the reason is because you want to pick up everything. You're like, oh, I'm hungry, let me just buy this, you know, which I'm probably going to end up doing. And yeah, like I should have ate before I left. But then again, I didn't have much of anything to really eat to go on the road. So the price of food is just going up and up and up. You know, even like the junk food is getting expensive. So, but we have to eat. We have to eat. There's no ands, if, or buts. We have to eat. So I've started eating some lamb, like lamb chops, and I've been making it, and it's so good. I like that it's kind of chewy. For me personally, I like that it's kind of chewy. So the way I make it, I love lamb. It's so good to me anyways. I eat like turkey, so there's a ground turkey. Oh yeah, I could get the ground turkey. I could get chow mein that I actually started making. And I recently got like this wok. If you guys don't know what a wok is, it's basically like a pan, but you could do stir fry like so much easier. It's so much space to actually turn the noodles. So I used it once already, and it's like a game changer, hands down, game changer. Because if you would have saw the pot or the pan that I was using before, I could not even, you know, flip the noodles in any direction without it, you know, going right onto the stove.
You like some butter?
Pardon?
You like some butter?
Oh, sure.
Which one would you like? Salted?
Yeah, one is fine. Your choice.
Honestly. The whole thing is like, it's like a game. That's why I can't really take it seriously when I see like the numbers on the news or this fourth, fifth wave of COVID and blah blah. Like, this is fake. Like, it's all for money.
It's media.
It's really annoying.
They control the masses.
You're very pretty.
Oh, thank you. I didn't wake up like this though. It took some effort. See you.
Take
Have
care.
a good one.
Yeah, the podium.
Alright, so mayo. Okay. I mean, you could always do this on your phone. So I got butter. Butter was on sale. I got that. Got mayo. Just want to see what else I could find here, so I don't have to go to like 5 other places.
They help with anything else? Or?
Just the Roma tomatoes.
Oh, they're right there.
Okay, thanks. Okay guys, so I'm walking around looking. I saw this flyer deal for a blender on sale, so I'm looking for it. Can't find it. Oh, but I found an extension cord that I don't really need, but we'll check the price. So that's why it's important to stick to your list. Okay, so it's checkout time finally. Brought my own bags, scanning my stuff. I decided to do the self-checkout because the lineup for the cashiers is just way too long. So I already spent enough time in here just checking out my stuff, and we'll be out. Okay, so I found this seaweed. They're like smaller rectangles, and I think they're perfect for the TikTok recipe. I did see some other ones that were bigger, almost like a sheet of paper, but those ones are for making sushi and they are thicker, so I want to give these ones a try. Yeah, so literally today, guys were like just complimenting me and all this, and this is literally how I went outside with my jacket. So I just had like a hoodie. Guys, it's nothing special at all, and the shoes, that's it, all black. And guys were like telling me I'm so pretty, and just like, I don't know, it's weird. I'm telling you, I'm not doing anything dramatic. If you know me already, you know I can dress up and go all out. But literally just running errands and just going grocery shopping, this is how I look. Nothing special. This is it, y'all. This is it. So for all you women out there who think, oh, guys are only into girls that, you know, have full face makeup, who wear scandalous clothes, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's not true. There's, even though, you know, some people are struggling in the dating world, I want to say for women out there, some guy is going to think you're pretty, you're gorgeous, no matter what you do to yourself. So, or like if you are true to yourself and you don't, you know, have to go overboard to fake it and whatever, like somebody will find you pretty. I hope that was encouraging. Like for me, I just put a little bit of like under eye concealer, a little bit eyeliner, and try to like fix my brows a little bit. So that's literally it. Oh, maybe like some lip balm. But yeah, that's literally it. So for any women who are thinking that they need to go above and beyond, get surgery and whatever, like it's not necessary. Okay? Look, I'm showing like no skin at all. So I just want to be the living proof that you don't have to do all that. All right. So unfortunately, I didn't get to show you guys how I made the TikTok salmon rice recipe, but you guys can definitely find it online, and I highly recommend giving it a try. Even if you're not a big fan of salmon, to at least try this recipe. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until then, I'll see you on the next one. It's your girl, Jane JC. Toodles.